My name is Nutriticious of the student of semester 5 of Shitanandram Jaipuriya College. Today I am very excited because I participate in a cooking contest which is organized by our college, Shitanandram Jaipuriya College, due to the National Nutrition Month of 2020. So today I am share a very delicious recipe of fish and which is very mouth-watering and healthy. So you may try this recipe. So let's start it. Today I prepared Badshahi Bhetki. So at first I take Bhetki fish in a mixing bowl and then salt, black pepper and lemon juice are added to it and mixed it well and it kept just about for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, only white part of the egg, this is called egg white, are added to it, this is of egg, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 teaspoon of maida and 1 teaspoon of cornflour are added to it and mix it well. After that, mustard oil is taken into a frying pan. When the oil is heated, the mixing fish are added to it and it is carefully fried. After that, chopped onion. Here I take 2 big size onion and then 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and you may add little amount of sugar because it enhances the taste, so you may add it. After that, chopped capsicum. I take 1 big capsicum and 2 medium sized chopped tomato are added to it. And 1 pinch of salt. Here we cannot use extra salt because already we have added to salt in this fish mixture. So here we use little amount of salt and take required amount of ketchup. Here I can use 4 teaspoon of ketchup and then required amount of water is taken are added to it and stir it very well. When it is completely boiled, the fried fish are added to it and cover it, and then it keep from 2 to 3 minutes at low flame, and after 4 minutes it is ready for serving and it is look like very nice and delicious. So you may try this recipe because it contains fish and vegetable and which is the highest source of the protein and vitamins, which is very healthy for our health and nutritious. So you may try this.